What advice would you give to budding CWMs who are pursuing this program? How to go about it? What things should they focus on while learning it so that it helps them in the career building? And what are the mistakes generally people do which they should avoid?
So when we look at CWM, first and foremost, I've seen a lot of people start CWM but don't complete it. That is because the syllabus is huge; they're not able to complete it. So I would ask them to put a tracker in place where they decide to complete so many number of pages, so many number of chapters in so many such number of days or months.
Right.
So once that tracker is there and they're able to do that successfully, they'll be able to clear their CWM. Once they're able to do that, also parallelly look at things which you are going to apply in the market.
Right.
So when I was doing my CWM studies, I was like parallelly making a note. I can create this module, I can create that module, I can do this, I can have these interaction points. So all of that will help them. When they go out in the market, even before their CWM, they should use these points to discuss with the clients. The positive response of the clients will reinforce the need for them to complete CWM.
Great.
Right?
Great.
Because that is what is very, very important for them. Sometimes you start off because everybody is starting or you want to do something new, but half the track you lose focus. Why am I doing this? Should I be doing this? Do I have the time? Will it help me? I was just in the lounge today having lunch, and somebody was asking, will you get a job after doing CW? So that is not the point. That is not the point of discussion. It is before CWM you were X. Now after CW are you X plus Y? Has that alpha been added into you as a person,
Right.
as a professional? If that is there, that is okay. It does not need to translate into a job opportunity. But if you are better, then your clients also feel that you are better, and that will take you forward.
Right. And what I see is it may not directly help you get into job,
Which
but
is
once you are into the job,
it will help you.
it would really help you grow into that career and job because you are better off than other people who are in the terms of technical skills at least.
Definitely. So I've seen a lot of people who have started doing it.
Yeah.
Then they realize this I can use, that I can use. So it's wonderful.